be showing you guys how to paint your toenails yellow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. You're going to start by painting your middle toenail silver. Polish the rest of your toenails yellow. Follow me on Instagram. Check out the cards in the end screen. Do a second coat. Take the silver polish and outline just around the bottom half of the nail. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe,